works out.
So, I see we have some new recruits for the mine. I'd like to wish you all the best of luck, but sometimes things don't turn out the way you might hope. Like for my dearly departed brother Stewie, who accidentally fell in the shaft. Or did he? Fire in the hole!
Oh my goodness. Dude, you give yourself space.
Well, I see my brother's at it again. I'll bet he said my death was an accident, didn't he? As in he accidentally pushed me down the mine shaft. The things some people will do for gold. Lots and lots of gold. Lucky for you, it looks like he wasn't too successful. This time.
Yeah, dude. I gave myself some space on the seatbelt. Holy cow. Absolutely different experience. I actually was terrified. Yeah, I tried to grab you. I was like, no, I don't like it. Oh my god. Wow.
That's the cool part of it.
I know, looking down. The terrifying part, imagine there's just like 2 feet of this shit and that's the ground. And it slides over.
I really wish they turned on the light so you can look down right there real quick.